Cakewalk versus Studio One. Which DAW is better? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you create music without sacrificing workflow or features. We'll explore Cakewalk and Studio One side by side. Cakewalk and Studio One are two powerful DAWs designed for music production. Cakewalk offers a full-featured, free platform with deep editing, while Studio One focuses on an intuitive interface and streamlined creative flow. The core difference lies in accessibility versus polished user experience. Cakewalk by BandLab is a professional-grade digital audio workstation available completely free, making it accessible to all levels of producers. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools including multi-track recording, MIDI sequencing, and advanced audio editing. Cakewalk leverages a traditional linear timeline workflow, giving users precise control over every detail. Its strengths include unlimited audio and MIDI tracks, robust mixing capabilities, and support for VST plugins. However, Cakewalk's interface can feel dated and complex, which might overwhelm beginners. It also requires Windows operating systems, limiting cross-platform use. Ideal users are those who want a powerful, no-cost DAW with deep customization and are comfortable navigating a more technical interface to get professional results. Studio One by PreSonus is a polished DAW known for its smooth workflow and modern design. It integrates drag-and-drop functionality, an intuitive mixer, and built-in mastering tools that speed up the music creation process. Studio One supports unlimited tracks and offers advanced features like chord detection, Melodyne integration, and extensive plugin suites. Its standout strength is the seamless balance between powerful capabilities and user-friendly navigation, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Studio One is available on both Windows and macOS, providing flexibility across platforms. Limitations include a higher price point for full-featured versions and fewer customization options compared to Cakewalk. The ideal user is a musician or producer who values a streamlined creative environment and cross-platform compatibility with professional-grade tools. When comparing Cakewalk and Studio One, the choice depends on priorities. Cakewalk excels as a free, Windows-only DAW with deep editing and unlimited tracks, perfect for users who want maximum control without cost. Studio One offers a more modern, intuitive interface with cross-platform support, ideal for those seeking a faster, more creative workflow. Cakewalk's complexity can slow beginners, while Studio One's polished design accelerates production but requires investment for full features. For example, a home studio producer on a budget may prefer Cakewalk's free access and flexibility, while a professional working across Windows and macOS might choose Studio One for its seamless integration and mastering tools. Both deliver professional results but trade accessibility against ease of use and platform support. Choose Cakewalk if you want a powerful, no-cost DAW with comprehensive features and deep control, and you primarily work on Windows. Opt for Studio One if you value an intuitive, polished interface with cross-platform support and advanced creative tools. It's perfect for producers seeking a smooth workflow and professional features in one streamlined package. Both DAWs are excellent, but your workflow and platform will guide the best choice.